Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, and if you end up enjoying this video, please smash the like button and leave your comment in the comment section as well. You guys, you know that I love when you engage with my content. It helps me and I really appreciate when you do. So please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. All right, so today's video is a haul video. I did my first haul video a few months back and you guys seem to love it. In fact, a lot of people shared it and it kind of made me so happy. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave it linked up in the cards and I'm going to leave it in the description box as well so that you can check it out after watching this one. So today's haul video was inspired by Dimma. If you guys, I'm sure you guys already know, I say it almost every time. Dimma is one of my favorite YouTubers. I have been watching her YouTube since God knows when, and I really love her. I still watch her till today. I don't miss any of her videos. So she did a video a while back, some months back, where she shopped on Fashionnova. I think it was in October, where she shopped on Fashionnova. And prior to me watching that video, I had heard of Fashionnova, but I just never shopped or wanted to shop on Fashionnova. I have never shopped on Fashionnova. This is my first time of shopping and it was because of Dimma Umeh. And the reason is because I feel that most of their models are very structured and very perfect and very, and I just can't relate with most of their models. Like when I see an outfit on their model, I can't picture how it would look on me. So when I see Fashionnova, I just, next please. So when Dimma did that video, when she made that video, it kind of made me like really happy that, okay, now I can relate with this person. Now I can see myself wearing this. So when she tried on some of those outfits, I was like, okay, so this is what I could picture what it would look like on me. And this was the reason why I decided to buy, make some purchases and just buy some of the outfits that she got and also add a few. I think I added 1 or 2 extras of my own. So yeah, so this video is entirely inspired by Dimma Umeh. Please, if you can tag her so that she sees this, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this is how it came. I wanted to open it on camera for you guys, so let's just get right in. Alright guys, so I have opened the package up and these are all the stuff that I got. I ended up getting more tops than dresses, just because the dresses that I also wanted were out of stock at the time, and I couldn't wait, so I got more tops than dresses. So I'm going to start with the tops. Let's see what this is. Yeah, so this is one of the tops that I got. So it is a top bodysuit. It is a bodysuit actually, but a really nice one. I like this material at the hand. I just love this. So let me try it on and let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the top. This is what it looks like at the back. Oh sorry, this is the tag. But yeah, that's what it looks like at the back, and this is what it looks like in front. I think that this place is a bit loose for me, so I'm going to give it to my friend Dami. I'm sure she's watching me right now. So Dami, this top is coming so that you can help me, I'll just raise it up a bit, but aside that, I think I love the top. It just gives me this, very sassy auntie vibes. I really like it. It's dressy. I just picked a random skirt in my wardrobe to style this with, and I absolutely love this, guys. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I don't regret it. Let me throw for you guys. Yeah, so this is what the top looks like. So the next item here is another bodysuit, and this is what it looks like. I got most of the tops that I got in this set are all medium, in the size medium, and this is what it looks like. This is just like a regular t-shirt, but in a bodysuit design. I'm just going to try that on now. Alright guys, so this is what this bodysuit looks like. Like I said, it just feels like your regular t-shirt. I bought it in a size medium. I love that it is snug. It's not too tight. It's not tight at all. Like, it's not tight. It's just my perfect size, which I absolutely like. So this will be good for like an evening out, or you know, something really casual basically. Yes. So for this particular bodysuit, I got one also in black, and this is the black. I just paired it with a random skirt in my wardrobe, and I absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like. I can wear this in the office, I can wear it on a casual day. I just love the versatility of this outfit. Yeah. All right, so the next top is this Tamiya. It says Tamiya surplus bodysuit. I got it in a size medium, but guys, it looks so big. I really hope it's not. And I got it for $10. This sold for $9.99. Yeah, so let me just try it on for you guys. Alright guys, so this is the top. First and foremost, I'm happy that it's not big. It's my perfect size. However, I think that this place is too open. You know, we're not about to sell any markets. Nobody is selling any market here. So what I'll do is either wear a camisole in it, or use a brooch to just hold it here so that it looks more it looks nicer and a lot more decent. This is what it looks like. I just paired it with that skirt that I said that I picked from my wardrobe, and yeah, so I absolutely love how these tops are looking. And I also like the fact that, you know, they look a bit formal, so I can wear them to the office. I can wear them when I have like a job, and I'll still look, you know, really put together. I like this top, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, this sold for $10, and it feels really good on the skin as well. Like, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice on the skin. So in case you're looking for a top to get, you can absolutely get this one. So the last set of tops that I'll be trying for you guys, I'm going to be trying them together just because I can't I can't wear any of them alone. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying them together. But before I do, I also got this body suit. It's like a camisole with this thin spaghetti hands. So this is the must-have bodysuit. So I got this basically because I wanted to use it as like a camisole in my jacket or in my tops or something. I just like, you know, what it looked like, and the fact that it's a bodysuit. I don't have to worry about it pulling out of my top or out of my trousers. So that's why I got this one. The other one I'll be trying with it is this mesh top, guys. These are all the things that Dimma bought, and I think I just like the way she styled it, which was why I bought it, because naturally I won't get this top. Like she said, it's like mosquito nets. Like, this is kind of top that you wear and you're like, please don't even breathe on me, because any small air like this, you get. But I kind of like the way she styled it, which was why I got it. I got it in the size medium as well. So I'm just going to try that out for you. But alright, so this is what it looks like. I paired it with this same mesh top. This is what it looks like on both tops. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's something that I will wear to the beach, or it's something that I will wear on a girl's day out or night out, on a day that is not cold, obviously. I absolutely love it, and I feel like money well spent. I got this sweater just because I'm a sucker for sweaters, and I kind of love the colors, so I decided to get it. Let me just open it up. So what do we have here? So this is what the sweater is, just a regular sweater, and it's in the color burgundy, and it retailed for $17. So I got this sweater for $17. I really like the color, and yeah, so I'm just going to try it out. Ooh, this is so warm, guys. Oh my god, it's so warm. Oh, I love this. So this is what this looks like. Oh my god, it's giving me this Christmassy feeling. Just would pair it with maybe a jean trouser and nothing fancy, but I really like it, and I like the color on me as well. All right, so that's all for tops. We're almost done. The last two things that I have here are dresses. Let's see what this one looks like. So I got this wine dress. This is what it looks like. It's called the Fit Your Need mini dress. I hope this one will fit my need too. Let me try it out and let's see what it looks like on me. Fingers crossed that I don't look like Egungun. Be careful, because so far I like everything that I bought, so hopefully these dresses also fit me really well. So I'll be back. All right, so this is what this dress looks like. I just love it. I love it. And it has this thing. See it? It has this rope underneath it, so you can, like, if you want to make it really short, you can just pull it up and make it like, can you see what I mean? Let me move back. So you can make it shorter than you want, like this, or you can just like pull it down and make it as long as you want as well. So it can go as low, like it can go lower actually. It depends on how you want to style it. Guys, sorry, I'm looking at the mirror so that I can, you know, explain this better. So yeah, it depends on how you want to style it, but I just like mine to be somewhere around here, and then I'll tie this up. But this rope gives you an allowance to, you know, take it up as far as you want or take it down as low as you want. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so far I'm liking every piece of item that I've gotten, and I do not regret buying any of them, especially this cardigan. This cardigan is my best so far, I won't lie. I'm a sucker for cardigans, so I really love this cardigan, but this dress as well. In fact, I love everything. All the items that I got, I love them. But this is what this dress looks like. So to try on the last dress, fun fact guys, this dress is actually the reason why I bought everything that I bought. When Dimma tried it on, I was like, this is me. Take my money. take whatever. Like, I was like, I need to get this dress. I so much love it, and right now I am praying that it suits me as much as I have imagined it, and it looks nice on me as much as I have thought, dreamt, and expected it to be. So guys, fingers crossed, and I'll be right back to show you what I look like. So this is the last dress that I got. I absolutely love the color mix. Yellow and black is such a sweet color. It's such a sweet color mix. So I think that's one of the first things that made me like or fall in love with this dress. Yeah, I really like it. So from Dimma'S review, I realized that you cannot wear this dress alone, except, well, depending on what your intention is, but I can't wear this dress alone. So I just paired it up with one of the bodysuits that I got, and that is why I can wear like, because there's no button here at all. So what it means is that this face will just be open. I don't know, but I can't wear like that. So I decided to put on a bodysuit inside and just, you know, make it look a lot more decent. But yeah, I like what it looks like on me, and everything is just on point. Alright guys, so these are all the things that I got. I absolutely love each and every one of them, and I hope you guys liked them as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked the items that I picked. Please, like I said, tag Dimma in this video if you can, so that she can, you know, maybe see this video, for example. because she inspired this video. So if you can please tag her so that she sees it, I'll be really grateful. If you are watching up until this point and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below, like this video and share this video with your family and friends. Guys, it's the Christmas season, the season of love, the season of sharing, and the season of giving. So why not please share this video, give this link out to everyone you can. Let people check out my channel on YouTube. Thank you so much once again, guys, for always hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.